So this is a Winco shopping haul. I'm gonna start over here. I got a bag of their Winco brand Ripple potato chips, Juanita's tortilla chips. These are the best tortilla chips that you can buy in a bag. Awesome, they're the best. They taste like restaurant chips, so these are amazing. I got some of the angel hair coleslaw. We like this on top of, like, instead of lettuce, like for sandwiches and tacos and things like that. I prefer the finely shredded coleslaw. I got some baby carrots and some celery. I think I will be making a soup or a pot roast or something, we'll see. And the flavor twists honey barbecue. It's been really hard to find Frito-Lay stuff, so I grabbed these while I found them. I got some of this Black Forest ham. It's almost a pound. And then I got 1.5 pounds of deli pepperoni. I'm going to throw this in my freezer. We will have pizzas forever, basically. I got some of these hamburger buns and some chicken patties to go with the hamburger buns, and then these chicken tenders. I have to buy the Banquet brand. It's one of the only like chicken products that I have found that doesn't have milk and egg in them. So these have been getting harder and harder to find, but I found some today. So I got chicken patties and chicken nuggets. Both my kids can have these. I got some of their fantasy sour belts. It's just like a rainbow sour belt. I got some of these for me. They're just some white chocolate covered pretzels with some Valentine's Day sprinkles. I needed some more white pepper. And then I got a bunch of bananas. I also forgot I got a gallon of whole milk. So this is what I got from Trader Joe's. Over here, I got some whole milk cottage cheese, some dill pickles. I haven't tried these yet, but my sister says that these are really, really good. So I expect a lot out of these. I got some chicken broth. I like to buy the Trader Joe's chicken broth because I know it's dairy free, and I have a hard time finding broths that are dairy free. I got just some of the regular whole kernel corn. I got one of these 2-pound bins of strawberries. I haven't bought strawberries in a while because they haven't looked very good, but these actually look pretty good. So I was very surprised. I got an orange juice, Limeade. This is Mario's favorite. I needed some more olive oil for bread baking. I bought the kids a sparkling berry lemonade. This will probably most likely be for Valentine's Day or something similar. Some of the salsa verde with fresh tomatillos and jalapenos. I wanted to try these mozzarella cheese sticks. So this is 1 pound of breaded mozzarella cheese sticks. I got some roast beef. My daughter always requests roast beef, so I got her some of the roast beef. These are some of their bakery items. This pancake bread looks so good, but it is not safe for the kids to eat. So I got them this vegan banana bread with walnuts, which also looks really good. So they should be happy about that. These are their favorite ice creams. The Hold the Dairy mini coconut non-dairy dessert cones. Sometimes it's also hard to find dairy-free items that don't have eggs in them, so these are their favorites, and they're little so that they get to just share like a little ice cream cone with themselves. French roast coffee. I started buying the French roast coffee from Trader Joe's because Mario, who has like a tree nut allergy, like a very severe tree nut allergy, he started having some like throat discomfort and difficulty with swallowing and stuff after some of the Walmart K-Cups. So we don't know if there was like some cross-contamination with maybe some like of the hazelnut flavors or something. So we've had to start actually spending a little more on coffee just to make sure that it doesn't kill him. So we got some of the K-Cups. We're getting these now, I think. And then I got some of these mini pepperoni pizzas. There's 4 pizzas in here and it was $4. So these are actually cheaper than like the Totino's pizzas. And I only buy these for my son, so they should be a pretty decent size for him. These are the kitchen towels that I like to use, the cotton kitchen towels from Trader Joe's. They come in 3 packs for $6. You get 2 of these. They come in different colors, but I bought the green. They have like these, you know, solid striped colors, and then you get 2 of these, and then they have like the one in the middle that is like just the stripe colors. I have these in a bunch of different colors. I have gray ones, I have red ones, I have blue ones, I think I have pink ones. They get so soft and absorbent after you wash them. They're highly recommended. And then the other towels that I like to use are the Target Flour Sack kitchen towels, the Hearth and Hand Magnolia ones, because they're huge. And then I've never tried this before, but it looks so good. It's a dark chocolate ganache mini sweet cake. So this is just going to be for me and Mario because it has eggs and milk in it, but they have their banana bread and their ice cream, so they should be just fine. So since this box is kind of big, I went ahead and opened up the pizzas to see what was going on here. And they're in little 2 packs. So I'm just probably going to take these out of the box and put these in the freezer. And then I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree. It's been like a little while, but I got this Hugs and Kisses sign. I got this for the O in my home. I got some of these picks, and then these tall picks. I have a craft in mind, hopefully, like a wreath maybe, like a miniature version of the one I've seen. I got this little XOXO sign. I also got some of these like little wooden hearts to paint, along with like these little garlands that are like, you paint these too, because I love. And then this one here, this is Forever and Always. I got some like, you know, some painting projects. And then the kids needed some Valentine's pen. I don't need them, but I thought this would be really cute for them. These ones have little pandas and llamas and dogs. And then these have like little trucks. I thought these plates were the cutest. And then I got some florals. These are ranunculus, tea rose. These are just roses. And then Alstro Maria. Probably butchered all of those, but that's okay. I got some florals. My sister helped me pick out the flowers. She's really good at doing the floral arranging. She likes to do that at work. And they always look really nice. I just never learned that skill, but I'm sure she could teach me. I got some of these paper heart doilies, and then I got some ribbon. And then I got this bin. My daughter used to make like a Valentine's Day box, like a mailbox thing. So I thought maybe I could just like cut a hole in the top of this. But then I was also thinking like she's supposed to decorate it. So maybe making it like a cupcake and doing like the top like a cupcake. So this was $1.25. I know she likes to have something that's easy and not like a whole project where she doesn't know what she's doing. So hopefully this will make a good project for that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.